Today's recipe is Cranberry Bliss bars. Okay, we're going to add our baking powder to our flour, a little bit of cinnamon, and some salt. And we're going to whisk this all together. Now, these bars are great for your holiday baking exchange. And really, you can make these bars at any time. Okay, now we're going to add our brown sugar and our melted butter. And we're just going to stir this up. Then we're going to get our electric mixer. And we're going to add our eggs and our vanilla. And we're going to beat this up until it's all incorporated. These are a great cookie exchange bar. These freeze well, so you can put them in the freezer and have them at any time. Now we're going to add our flour mixture to our butter mixture. And we're going to incorporate that until we don't see any more flour. Now these bars are very similar to the ones that you might find at that famous coffee shop. But much cheaper to make. All right, now to our batter. The batter is quite thick, as you can see, so we're going to add in our cranberries. And our white chocolate chips. Now the cranberries I roughly chopped so they weren't so big. We'll just stir this until it's all incorporated. It's like a brownie mixture, our cookie layer. And then we're going to place this in our 9 by 13 pan that I have put some parchment paper in, and I always like to spray the parchment paper. And then we're going to spread our batter inside this pan. I'm using another piece of parchment paper, which makes it a little bit easier to spread evenly into our pan. And as you can see, it doesn't stick to the parchment paper. So we'll just make sure that it's even so that it cooks even. And this will go in our 350 degree oven for between 18 to 22 minutes or so until the center. Put a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Now you want to cool these completely before we frost them. Now our frosting is some cream cheese that is softened, and we're going to beat that. Make sure your cream cheese is softened. It just makes it much easier. Then we're going to add our powdered sugar. And I do a little bit at a time so we don't get a cloud of sugar. Just beating that until it's incorporated. And then we're going to add our orange zest. You could use a navel orange or a mandarin orange. In this video, I used a mandarin orange for the orange zest. Mandarin oranges are a little bit sweeter, I find. So we're mixing this all together. And then we need to add some melted white chocolate. So I just put mine in the microwave. And every 30 seconds I check on it. And stir it up. It doesn't really take a lot of time before your chocolate is melted. You don't want to seize your chocolate. Okay, we're going to add half of this melted chocolate to our cream cheese mixture. And we're going to just beat that up until it's all incorporated. And once your cookie layer is completely cooled, you can frost this. So I'll add our frosting. Spread this on top. This frosting is very creamy tasting. It can be used for a lot of different baking items. Cinnamon buns isn't one that you could use this on as well. Then we will drizzle some of our leftover melted chocolate on top of this. And then we're going to add some cranberries, dried cranberries. What's nice about using the dried cranberries is you can find dried cranberries at any time in your grocery store, so you can really make this bar any time of the year. We'll just let this sit, and then we will cut it up after it sets. It makes quite large bars. Enjoy. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Here are 2 more of my videos you may be interested in. Thanks for watching.